Good evening, sir, and my dear friends. Firstly, I would like to thank you for giving me this opportunity, and it's my pleasure. Let me start my today's topic hard work. Hard work is the best key to success. Working hard, we can achieve our goals in life. In student life, hard work is the most important thing we need to master. We need to put maximum needed efforts. A hardworking person is always happy in life. Success in the byproduct of hard work. Hard work marks a person strong enough to deal with any situation. Hard work can achieve everything. Hard working is a good habit. We can progress by doing hard work. An idle person depends too much on chance. All great men of the world were very hard-working persons. Prosperity is only possible using hard work. Hard work is the success of secret of success. That's all from my side. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. It was quite better than yesterday. Okay, day before yesterday, you
Okay,
did well
sir.
that day also, but today is better than that. I'm really happy. Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.